The Hair Love app is an amazing, helpful tool that has all the resources for Hair Love Retreat, special events, and Elizabeth Faye's educational programs. Everything you could possibly want is in the palm of your hand. To download the app, you're going to go to the App Store and type in Hair Love Tribe into the search bar. And it should be the first one that pulls up, and then all you need to do is click on the app and click it to download. Once you have downloaded the app, you'll click on it, where from there you will click on the sign up button, put in your information and your email, and click sign up. Or you can log in with your Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn accounts. Once you have logged in, you'll be taken to your profile information. So you can upload a picture of yourself, put in your information as well as your job and your location. Once you have logged in and created a profile, you'll be taken right to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you're able to see all of the different events or sections on the app. There are several different events available through the app. There's the Hair Love community that everyone has access to and should join. The first section or event is the Hair Love community. Once you click on this, you see several different links that you can click on. The first one is an overview. If you click on the second one, it will take you to all the announcements that will be sent to your phone through notifications. This third link is from our sponsors. This fourth link is the tribe, so you can see everyone that we are connected with. And then this fifth link is our chat section. And then the last section is information for our retreat for 2020. Once you click the arrow on the right, you'll be taken to even more features. You can click on this Hair Love merch icon where you can see all of the cute merchandise that we offer. Next, you can click on the Hair Love radio icon where you'll be able to listen through iTunes or Spotify any of our podcasts. If you would like to switch between the events, all you need to do is click the icon in the top left-hand corner and it will take you back to the dashboard. We have the Workshop in a Box event where you can join that if you are in the educational program, and you can access all of the manuals and community and everything else associated with Workshop in the Box. And then if you are in Access, you'll be granted special permission to use your section. This app has all of these sections, so you're able to switch between the three whenever you want. This app is incredible. It's never been easier to get involved with the Hair Love community and make important connections. You can also access all of the amazing free resources like our blog and our podcast, and take advantage of everything available to you in Workshop in a Box. Download the app today.